Hey everybody, this is our project titled SMPLE. It's a learning management system. My name is Justin Dev-ies. My teammates are Anish Kadali, Victoria Lee, and Libby Tefera. Our pod number is 2.2.0, and our team name is Ambitious Airbenders. So the idea about this is we knew that we needed to display courses for a user to join. So the way we approached it is we talked out our back-end models and our endpoints, got those sketched out, and then we moved and we started working on building the front end. Me and Victoria with some mock data just to start building, while Anish built out the Python Flask API in the back end. And one other thing we used on the front end was Redux for state management. The biggest challenge we had was connecting the front end and the back end. So once Anish was done with the back end, that's the next thing we worked on, was getting those fetches to work and displaying the data that came from the back end on the front end. And this is what we have so far. So we have our mock data from the back end displayed on the front end. This user's courses is displayed. And then in the settings, we just have their name displayed so far. Well, that's our project, and I hope you guys liked it.